Look, the leaves are even sticking to my shoes. It's a damp, windy, dark day in Scotland. This is Brodie in Moray, and this is the reason I'm out here in the weather. That's little Alice. And you having a little walk, Alice? You've got to have a walk every day, haven't you? Yes, you get your mummy out of bed. And this is where we are. Brodie Castle, Moray, Scotland. But the Ramblers don't want to be trudging around in the cold and damp. No! We want to go shopping. And this is Brodie Country Fair, less than a mile away from the castle. Let's go inside. Okay, so this is what the first display looks like when you come in. Lots of Santas. And these are things that I've never seen before. They're like baskets that you put round your tree at the bottom, so that, I suppose, so it looks more rustic, so you don't see any plastic, whatever your tree's sitting in. And here's some more furry Santas, mugs, Santa things. This is a more sort of snowman-y kind of display. Cute little character. Different sorts of tinsel. Very nice. Some baubles in a tree. Cute little reindeer that lights up. And here's some furnishings that you can have for Christmas. You can have a big Santa. Little snowman. Oh, I don't know if you can see these properly. These are nice. These are candles, and they're set in a birch bark sort of pot. And there's some different ones here. Different sorts of tree with textile hangings. These are some very Scottish things from the local area. A local artist makes these paintings, and they've been printed onto cushions. There's a big one there. Here we've got another festive display. This is a bag that you can put your prezzies in. Some lovely boxes. Let's have a closer look at this character. It's very prickly. Not sure what you do with that. Here are some nice little wooden items that you can hang on your tree, with a Scottish tint to them. Oh, really cute. That lovely Christmas tree. reindeers. Everywhere you look, Santas. This is the clothing department. They do a lot of different things here. Now this area is interesting. It's like got an African theme to it. Don't know why. I just thought these might be interesting. Little Scotty dogs. Wood on the back. Nah, Heel & Co. Really cute. These are things I've never seen before. They're called water spinners. You don't have to shake them to make little snowy sparkles. And these two tree scenes made from cut-out paper in like a case. Nice and festive. Everywhere you look. Deer, trinkets. Look at those angels.
Technology.
Technology, yeah. Oh, and these are great. Right? They're lights that you can put inside a bottle. Cute little things. They've got a cork on the end of them, so it looks like the bottles, but I can't see any made up. Whatever your colour theme is in your house. These are cute. Little glass trees. I love hares. It's kind of cute. £76.50. Now we've come to the doggy bit. Oh. Look at these guys. I think he'd go with your mug, Carolyn. Not your mug, your little jug. Your biscuit barrel. I like these. Right. They're Christmas cards made out of wood. And you make them into like little statues. Here's a reindeer. And they all come flat packed like this. So you can send them like cards. There's a Scottish one. You've got a map and a paper. Oh, there's some little animals here. This is a bling area. Little angels, glass. These are nice. Very traditional. nutcracker type toy. These are really delicate. I just wanted to show you these twin giraffes. Look, they're very tall. That's my hand on the little one, and I'm reaching up to this other one now. He costs £1,000. Christmas crackers. We have Christmas crackers here in the UK. I don't know if you have that in America. But these are sprout crackers, because everybody eats sprouts at Christmas. And those are Christmas pudding bin bags. Crazy. Some sprout party poppers. So I hope you've enjoyed this trip round Brodie and seen a little bit of the Christmas that will be in Scotland. Cheers, Ramblers.